Hi friends, it's Mr. Brendler here. Our PSAT and SAT exams are going to be completed digitally on your computer this year. So we need to make sure that you have the app installed in order for you to actually complete that exam. So there's two ways to do it. The first of which is down here next to the little blue smiley face is your launch pad. Click the waffle and I want you to search for an app called Bluebook. So all your apps will pop up. Now you have a second page, so you can click the second dot, and this is the icon you're looking for. This blue icon with the little white star, that's what we want to find, Bluebook. So if you find that, go ahead and click it, and then it will bring up the Bluebook app. Once you're from here, once you get here, I want you to click on Test Your Device, and all is well. If everything is well, you'll get those 3 green checks, and that's all you need to do. Now, another way to do that is if you go up to the magnifying glass up here and you type in Bluebook, that should pop up there, and you can just click that. That's another way to open it. And again, there you are. Later on, this is what we're going to log into to actually take your test. Again, you can test the device. Now, if you're going to the waffle and you don't see Bluebook, if this is not showing up, you're going to go to Manager. So from your Launchpad, you're going to find this icon here, Manager. And sometimes when this pops up, this might pop up to Class Manager. Now, if that's the case, you're going to go over here and change that to Self-Service. Because if you do not see the Bluebook app, we need to find it in self-service and download it. So it might take a moment to populate. Now here we are in all the apps. These are all the apps that you can download to yours. Now here it is right here, the Bluebook. If it's already installed, you do not need to reinstall it. So this is only for those of you that do not see the Bluebook app. So up here I'm going to type in Bluebook. And if it is not on here, you need to click on Install. So that's how you're going to do it. Install that, and once that goes through, you'll be able to find it again in your apps on your Launchpad. So once you guys are done with this, please make sure to fill out the QR code and let me know if you were able to access Bluebook or not. Thanks, guys.